back at it again. Finally, today should be the day we get everything done. It is 8 o'clock at night. 8:48 o'clock at night. I'm gonna charge my phone. Head got the heavy duty springs in. Springs, retainers. That's in. Head has been gasket matched, as you can tell. Very nice and smooth in there. I did the exhaust just a tad bit, not too much, just a little bit, because I don't have the exhaust gasket, so I don't know how much it was. Look at this. I don't even want to put this back into the car. It looks so clean, but we are obviously putting it back into the car. We're about to hone this part of the cylinder. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm about to get that just to hone around. I have one, and we're about to just re-hone it just a little bit, not too much on all of them. We're about to re-hone them. Not too much. What makes me mad is that I'm gonna have to go back to top dead center, which is gonna make me super mad. But let's start re-honing those, or sorry, not re-hone. Just I guess you call it re-hone. I got this gasket. It's thick. It's a bit too thick. I don't know why it's that thick, but. This one over here is way thinner. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, so let's get everything back and ready and see how it goes. Also have the 276 cam right there, 8 valve. I got the stage 2 polyurethane bushings. Got the gaskets. I got a little bit of copper gasket spray. I mean, really shouldn't be that much. Just put everything back, and really should be about it. So I'm about to put you guys there. The hardest part is timing and everything, which I know it's going to be a pain, but I'll figure that out. But let's just get this, I guess, ready. Fix the rust. I mean, there's a little spot right there, but I don't want to hit it anymore. That's as much as I need to hit it. Look at that. It looks good. These cylinders, man, they're cross-hatched, man, perfectly. They're pretty. They're in good shape. This one and that one, those two were bad. So I'm gonna leave those two fine, because you can see the cross patch on those perfectly. So head gasket set, number right here. This side's up. Let's not get that too confused. Copper spray gasket. Let's not spray the whole motor. Oh, actually. Not bad. Oh, never mind. Let's not touch it. And this is the top part. Also sprayed this one. I know it's used and old, but supposedly this stuff makes it better. Cause these are very expensive. So this gasket for some stupid reason, but in the future I'll probably get one. We'll see though, but. Gasket's about to go on. Nice. Gasket is on. Timed. Now let's get the cam installed on the head. Get everything installed. Because it's thick.